We've just seen in the previous lectures that we can easily stop a foreground process by using Ctrl+C, but how do we do to stop the ones in the background? We could of course bring them one by one to the foreground and terminate them, but what would happen if the one we're trying to stop becomes unresponsive? And the answer is by using the kill command that enables us to terminate a running process by sending a signal to it. Simply put, a signal is a standardized message sent to a running process to trigger a specific behavior, such as a graceful shutdown, for example. Some of these signals can be caught or ignored, which means that a process can decide to either intercept them and perform an action in response, or just completely ignore them. And other signals, on the other hand, cannot be caught or ignored, which means that a process will be forced into a specific behavior by the operating system. There are many different signals, so we won't go through all of them as it's not really the point of this course. However, I just want you to know that by default, the kill command will send a sig-kill signal to the process that cannot be caught or ignored, which will inevitably cause its termination. That being said, the kill command can be used in two ways. It can either kill a process listed by the jobs command using its job number, or kill a process listed by the PS command, which stands for process status, which is a more evolved version of jobs, using its PID, also called process identifier.